In front of me is Motorola Razr Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can find all your downloads. Start by opening a Google folder and from it selecting Files app. Now choose Downloads category, and to access all of your downloaded files, click on it on the left. To manage it, you can either use those options at the top right corner or click on those three dots on the right. If you want to manage multiple files at once, you can either hold one and tap on all the other ones, then use those options also at the top right corner, or you can use those icons at the top right corners of your sections. In my case, it's only today, but you probably have a lot of more. And this way pick all of your downloads from a chosen section at once. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!